All right, hello everybody. I have an update for you on how to operate the HVAC systems now that we've had some updates to the system. So if you look at your thermostat, this is what it should look like. It should be oscillating back and forth here between what the actual temperature is, and that'll be like, currently in here 67, and then this is what it's set to. And if you notice, it says 0. It does not mean it is set to 0 degrees. It means it is set to 0 in relation to what our system setting is. So in the summer, we set all the thermostats to 72 degrees. In the wintertime, we set them to 68. So right now, we're in summer mode. Everything is set to 72. And then the number right here tells you what the difference is. So it is set to 0. So it's set right at 72. If you wanted to change it, you can go up or down 5 degrees. So let's say you want it to be cooler in here, right? You can set it down. This is 1.0. You see the negative? That's 1 below 72. So right now it's set to 71. You can set this all the way down to 72 minus 5, which should be 67. It's a little bit chillier of a day, but if you notice, once you get to 5, you can't go any further. I'm pushing this all I can. Nothing's happening. But you push it back up. It does it by decimal points. I don't know how accurate of it to the decimal it will be, but you'll be able to set it up or down 5 degrees from that 72 degree mark for the whole school. And so you see, if there is no minus sign right here, you see this is at 0.5, you assume it's a positive number. So it's set a half a degree above 72. You can set it back down. See, once you go down below 0, you've got the negative number. So that's how you'll know if it's above or below that 72 degree mark. Also, to make things simpler, we've disabled all these buttons here. You can push them. They won't change anything. It'll change some things on here, but they really won't change anything in the system as a whole. So it should be really hard to mess up. I know I do it all the time, so I'm hoping that this makes things a little bit easier, and that makes it a little bit simpler so that you guys can set your temperatures yourselves and have a comfortable learning environment. If you have any questions, of course, please send them to the help desk and we'll be happy to assist. Have a good day.